Good morning, students. How are you all? Yes, hope everybody is fine, right? Welcome to Magneq Softwares, and today I am back with one more topic, that is GD. Yes, you heard it right. GD is nothing but group discussion. And today we are going to discuss about how we need to start the GD and what kind of topics that they are going to give in the GD and how we need to start and how we need to end. Today we are going to learn each and everything very clearly, and what we need to do in the group discussion and what we should not do in the group discussion. Today we are going to discuss those all. Okay, so first of all, when they are asking you to start a GD, they are going to give you a certain topic. Okay, I'm going to tell you what kind of topics also that they're going to give you. So in order to start that, what they're going to give is, first they'll give at least 2 to 5 minutes of time. Hope everybody is clear with the board, right? Yes, they're going to give you at least 2 to 5 minutes of time. For what? In order to discuss about the topic that they have assigned you. Okay, definitely everybody will going to give you the topic time, because you need to discuss a valuable points in that situation, right? Yes, and right after that, you should know about your participants. Why we should know about our participants, ma'am? Because this is only for their names. That is also at least 2 to 3 names in the group. In a group of members, like if there are 12 members in a group, definitely you need to at least know 3 to 4 members' names. Why, ma'am? Because it is very helpful for you to discuss furtherly. I'm going to tell you where we need to use this one. Okay, so they're going to give you 2 to 5 minutes of time, and you need to know your participants' names. And you need to maintain body posture. Okay? Yes. What kind of body posture we need to maintain, ma'am? You should not ever give any negative impressions to the other people. How we can give, ma'am? You need to maintain eye contact with the person who was speaking at that particular topic. Okay, the body posture always need to be clean and very impressive. You should not give any negative impressions to the opposite person. You should not distract each and everybody. If you are able to sit in front of somebody, you need to sit very cleanly and clearly, so that others may not distract. If you start using your hair, if a girl is doing her hair like this, and if there are boys, those who shake their legs like that, definitely it will going to distract the other person, so they're going to skip the point which they were telling. So if you started to making them to distract like in your manner, definitely it going to fail. The group discussion definitely going to fail. Group discussion is nothing but it depends on the whole team. So you need to take some time, and you need to make sure to sit without giving any type of impressions, like any type of negative impressions to the other people. And your eye contact always need to see the person who is able to seeing you, who is talking, who is discussing about that particular topic. So whenever you are able to see the people, definitely they are going to understand that you are discussing something very important. And you need to at least give 90% of eye contact to the only person who was speaking, and the remaining 10% you need to look at everybody who is around you. Okay, yes. And the next one, I've already told you, avoid giving negative impressions. You should not always making them to look at by nodding your head like this. You need to talk in a group discussion, because they're going to assess your communicating skills also even. So don't ever nod your head, or don't ever say yes or like that. You need to always giving those expressions. You need to remove those negative impressions as you are giving. Don't ever talk with your eyes like this as you are raising your eyebrows. So don't ever do all those things. And you need to be polite, logic, and smile throughout the group discussion. Okay, you need to do all this. You need to be polite because it's a group discussion. You should not, it's not a debate to argue with the other person. So it is a group discussion, means you need to be polite with everybody's answers. You need to agree to everybody's answers. And the next thing was you need to talk logically, because they are going to assess your decision making skills, also your problem solving skills, right? So you need to be logic while you're speaking, and you need to have a clean smile throughout the group discussion where you can discuss about the total topic, because definitely they're going to assess some sort of things. I'm going to tell you in the next class what the external was looking for basically in the GD. I'm going to post it on another video. So the things what you need to maintain this all. Now we're going to discuss that what are the do's and what are the don'ts in the video. So you'll be able to know what we need to do in the group discussion and what we should not do in the group discussion. Okay, I'm going to write it on the board. Just follow them. Okay, students. Okay. So in group discussion, just now I have told you that what we need to do in the starting. Yes, they're going to give 2 minutes of time, 2 to 5 minutes of time in order to prepare our notes. Yes, I forgot to tell you. We need to prepare our notes. So for preparing our notes, they're going to give this time. So in that time, we need to at least know some of our participants' names, and we need to maintain body posture and all. So what we do and what we should not do we need to speak logically. They don't want like everybody will going to speak as per their knowledge. They just want to know in case study, like they're going to give you case study topics also. In that topics, how logically you are able to speak and what kind of solutions you're going to give, that they're going to definitely see. So that is the thing you need to do. You need to speak very logically. So yes, next thing, listen carefully to others. Why this point was very important. If you are able to listen to the other people, then only you're going to answer them. That means you're going to have a second point with the same point that they have told you. Whenever you are able to listen to them, then only you can able to communicate, right? So make sure to listen to the people's first point. And third thing, maintain positive attitude. What is this, ma'am? How we need to maintain positive attitude? Yes, positive attitude is nothing but we need to smile, because in our facial expressions itself talk to all the people. So with the help of facial expressions, we can able to express everything what we have inside. So we need to express in a positive attitude what the thing we have inside also. If we really have any negative thing for their point in their concerned topic, because we need to maintain a positive attitude while we are speaking. It should not be shown in our face. Okay, that's the thing. You need to maintain positive attitude and allow others to speak. Definitely they're going to give 10 to 15 minutes of time in order to discuss on a particular topic. So you need to give chance to everybody, because if they're going to if you are at 12 to 13 members in a group, definitely you're going to get at least 2 to 3 points in order to speak. So if you are able to speak a valuable and valid points regarding that particular topic. And you need to give everybody some time to prove themselves. You are there to prove yourself. So you need to give them also some time to prove themselves. Okay, and keep the discussion on track. What is that? What is the meaning of that, ma'am? Yes, while you are able to speak, let other fellows also to speak. Give them some time. So if anybody is not able to speak up, if they really don't have any point, don't ever waste your time which they have given you. Okay, you need to keep on talking, because they are going to give very little amount of time. So in that little amount of time, you need to prove yourself. In order to prove yourself, you need to speak a valid and valuable points, and you need to talk whoever is not responding also. If you really have any points, you need to talk. Don't ever, definitely we're all going to pause for a while. He'll going to speak or she'll going to speak. Why don't we stop for this time? Don't ever do that. If anybody is not able to speak, you need to start up your point. You just need to wait only for 5 seconds of time. In the 5 seconds, if there are no people to start a particular point, you need to raise your point. Okay, so Hope everybody is clear with what we need to do. So now we are skipping to don'ts, what we should not do. Okay, don't ever be aggressive. Why? Because it's a group discussion, and the nature of group discussion is always cooperative. That means we are coping with other teammates in order to discuss on a particular topic. So the nature of a group discussion is cooperative. So we need to agree with everyone, but we should not be aggressive. That means don't ever fight with them while you are speaking. Okay, the next point, avoid time consuming details. If you really have a valid and valuable points, if you are having only 2 to 3 turns in order to speak 2 to 3 points, so within 3 points you need to make them to assess yourself. So instead of they are assessing you, you need to open up with the valuable points. So you need to understand and you need to give only which is very valuable information to them. So avoid time consuming details. That means don't easily say that each and everybody who is knowing about the details. Similar things everybody will be knowing. They wanted to know from you the unknown things if you have known anything else. Yes. So don't lose eye contact. Okay, if you are able to, if everybody is able to see, if everybody is able to make an eye contact so that everybody able to understand what they are speaking. So don't ever lose the eye contact and don't be rushed. Listen to others, whoever is speaking. Right after the listening only you need to start your point. So if you are able to start your point then itself, so listen to them clearly. After completion of them they are talking, you need to talk. Until unless you should not open your mouth. That is the thing, don't be rushed. And the last point, avoid repetition of points or words. Okay, don't always make sure to, if anybody is repeating, so don't repeat the same point again and again and again. Definitely they're going to lose definitely you're going to create yourself on a bad impact on you. Okay, you need to avoid the repetition of words and as well as the repetition of points whoever is telling in front of you. So before, when they are giving your time, you need to prepare your notes. Okay, you need to prepare your notes. So preparing your notes and knowing about your participants, and you need to maintain body posture, avoid giving negative impressions. Okay, and you need to share everything. The main group discussion is all about, group discussion is nothing but a discussion in the group or communication in the group on a particular concerned topic, sharing your ideas and sharing your facts with the other fellows, right? So our discussion, our GD main nature was what type of nature? It is cooperative nature. That means you need to agree with everybody's points. Everybody clear? So this is the group discussion and these are the things you need to follow, and what you do, what you need to do and what you should not do. These are the things. Okay, so this is the class I just want to tell you, and tomorrow I'm going to come with the same topic, what kind of topics that they're going to give in the group discussion. Okay, tomorrow we're going to discuss furthermore with the same topic, and how we need to start and how we need to end also I'm going to discuss with you all, and what the external was looking for mainly in the group discussion. I'm going to follow with that topic also. Okay, for today's video this is the thing that I wanted to share with you for today's class. Okay, so don't skip, watch the whole video to understand how you need to perform in the group discussion. Thank you all.